Today we are going to learn about integers. Those are numbers, can be positive and negative, do not have decimals, do not have fractions. What are integers? Integers are all the natural numbers including 0 and negative numbers. For example, -3, -4, -5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are all integers. Now, some more examples are here of integers: 5, 10,059, -33, etc. Non-integers: 4.5, -3.33, 2 by 3, -6, 1 by 2, etc. are given. Now let's see the rules of addition of integers. Two positive integers will result in positive, two negative integers will result in negative, and in case of one positive and negative integer, when added, the sign of the larger number will be given in the result. So let's see exercise 1.1 of NCERT. First question, where a number line has been given and on it temperatures are given of different places. In first part they have asked about the different temperatures of different places. Then they have asked the difference between the hottest and the coldest place. In C part they have asked the difference of Lahaul, Spiti, Srinagar. In D part they are asking, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So in the first part we are going to make the table showing the temperature and places. In B part we are going to show the difference, that is 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius means 30 degrees Celsius. In C part we are going to mention the temperature of Srinagar, Lahaul, Spiti, -2 degrees Celsius plus -8 degrees Celsius, it will be 6 degrees Celsius. So in D part it will be Srinagar and Shimla we are going to add and we'll get as 3 degrees Celsius. So, and we are going to compare -3 degrees Celsius is smaller than 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature at Shimla. Then temperature of Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees greater than 2 degree, so it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. In the next question they are saying that at Srinagar temperature is -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, on Tuesday is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, then again on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What is the temperature on Wednesday and Tuesday, right? So let's see. Temperature on Monday it's -5 degrees Celsius, then dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, -5 degree minus 2 degrees Celsius is equals to -7 degrees Celsius, then rose means -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius is equals to -3 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. In next question, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance? Height we will write of a place above the sea level, then floating submarine below the sea level. We are going to add both. 5,000 plus 1200, we will get 6,200 meters as the answer. In the next question, Rita goes towards 12 kilometers towards east from point A to the B. From B she moves to west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then how will you represent the distance towards west? So let's see, we are going to make the number line and mark the places as A, B, C and O. According to the number line, Rita moves towards east is represented by positive integer, but she moves opposite direction, that is west, it is represented by negative integer. So the distance from A to B is 20 kilometer, B to C is 30 kilometer. We are going to subtract 20 minus 30, we will get -10 kilometer as the answer. Next 3 questions are given as homework, children, for you. Try to solve those and wait for the next assignment and the video. Have a nice day.